Lone Worker Protection tutorial. This tutorial is all about using Lone Worker Protection and its settings. Lone Worker Protection is designed to allow a radio user to work safer alone. It offers features such as man down, periodic checks and more. Every user who has Lone Worker Protection enabled will need to complete a sensor check each time they log in. This is to make sure all the features are working correctly. Before completing the sensor check, you will notice next to the navigation bar within the app, it has a red shield with LWP written in the middle. This shows it has not yet passed the sensor checks. Once the sensor checks have been completed successfully, this shield will change to green. There are 5 sensor checks to pass. Test 1 is the emergency call button. You need to click to cancel the emergency call. This is to make sure it can be cancelled if it is accidentally activated. You have a window of 5 seconds in which you can cancel the emergency alarm. Test 2 is the man down function. This test requires you to rotate your device to make sure it picks up the movement. Test 3 is the movement test. This just requires you to hold your device for a period of time to check the movement sensor. Test 4 is the battery alarm test. This test makes sure the device does not have a low battery. Test 5. This is the impact test. This asks you to drop your device to test the full sensor. It is recommended you do this on something soft or in your hands. After you've completed the checks, the app will display the functional test results. A dispatcher can monitor just the lone workers on the map by going to Actions and selecting Show Only Lone Workers. Lone Worker Protection settings for each individual user can be adjusted by right-clicking on the user and selecting Lone Worker Protection Properties. This will open up a small window where you can view these settings. This tutorial has talked you through a brief explanation of the Lone Worker Protection functionality. For more information or tutorials, please visit www.support.g6-global.com.